Are you forcing yourself to crack your own neck? Try this instead. We're gonna pin and twirl, but at a much slower pace. Watch. First, we wanna pin the right point. So you're gonna make a fist with either hand and you're going to find the pinky knuckle and the ring knuckle. And between these two knuckles, you're gonna drop down into a ditch. The ditch should be clamped down like this. This point should feel a little bit tender or achy. This point is called Tripper Warmer 3 on the Tripper Warmer channel that goes through our neck to help relax the muscles and improve blood flow to that area. Once you pin it, you can begin to twirl your head gently and slowly. You might feel your neck pop and release. If you like this kind of content, like and follow for more.